Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are on a road trip going to La Union. This is going to be a 5-hour drive, and bakit nga ba tayo pupuntang La Union? Anong gagawin natin doon? We are testing out the all-new Jayco J7 SHS, and as you can see, ang ganda ng sasakyan na to guys. Very rugged yung look, pero very elegant pa din siya. As someone hindi naman expert sa sasakyan, first time ko marinig na meron palang hybrid plug-in car. So itong Jayco J7 SHS is a hybrid plug-in car. Ang claim is efficient tong car na to, so that's what we're testing out. That's why we're going to La Union. Ang sabi nila, with a full tank and full charge, you can drive up to 1,488 kilometers. So since manggagaling kami sa Bacoor and going to La Union, that's around 300 kilometers. Papakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung ano yung status ng ating battery and ng ating gas. And then pagdating natin sa La Union, papakita namin sa inyo kung ilan ba yung nabawas. Right now sa gas, we have 1,079 kilometers. And for the battery, unfortunately, hindi kami nakapag-charge, but we still have 16 kilometers. As a passenger princess, I will share with you my favorite features sa sasakyan na to. Look at this infotainment guys, as in ang laki niya. So here, you can control everything. Wala nang mga buttons dito for the aircon. Everything is here na sa ating infotainment. So pwede mo i-adjust yung lakas ng aircon dito. Ayan yung temperature dito. And of course, all the essentials are here. Meron tong Apple CarPlay. So may Spotify tayo, Waze, Google Maps. Everything is here. Another feature that I love about this car, super high-tech, open sunroof.
So awesome.
Close sunroof. Grabe guys. So meron siyang voice control and meron rin siyang sunroof. Another thing that I love about this car is this dashboard. Kitang-kita mo kung ilan yung sasakyan na nakapaligid sa'yo. So very safe. It has sensors all around. Especially if you are a newbie driver, hindi ka masyadong kakabahan kung malapit ka na ba sa mga sasakyan sa paligid mo. Another feature that I love, akala nyo lalagyan lang to ng mga gamit guys. You're wrong. This is a mini cooler for your drinks. So may nilagay ako ditong drink namin. Malamig siya sa loob. Of course, meron din tayong charger dito sa harap. The typical USB and Type-C. And of course, meron rin tayong wireless charging. Yan. Charging ng ating phone. As with the space naman, this is a 5-seater car and nakaupo na ako dun sa likod kahapon and very comfortable, kasyang-kasyang tatlong tao. Also with the space sa likod kung saan nilalagay yung mga luggage, very spacious din. I think kasyang-kasya dun kahit mga 3 to 4 na malalaking mga luggage. Isa pang nagustuhan namin, maganda yung sound system niya. So, perfect for long drives and just vibe with the music. 1 hour, 30 minutes na lang, 56 kilometers left. And as you can see, kung mapapansin nyo, umakyat yung kilometers na to. 16 lang to kanina, naging 18 siya. Nag-charge kasi siya pag ginagamit yung car. So, ito yung battery. Isa din to sa mga gusto kong feature dito sa Jayco J7. Super linaw ng kanyang camera. And of course, may 360 view. So at least para aware kayo sa surroundings ninyo. So yung gas natin, 775 na siya. And for our battery, dating 16 kilometers, 12 kilometers siya. Sobrang konti lang yung nabawas. Actually, kanina umaakyat yan kasi nga na-charge siya. Pero dahil medyo traffic dito, papasok dito sa La Union, battery yung ginamit niya. So, nabawasan na siya. Quick room tour lang. Pagpasok natin, ayan, cabinets and CR, shower. And then, ito na yung ating bed. King bed siya. The best part is meron tayong access sa pool. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan, dire-diretso siya. Super nice. Nag-drive kami all the way to Baluarte Watchtower. So, this is our car. Sayang lang, medyo hindi ganun kaganda yung weather. Pero, ayan, ito yung Baluarte Watchtower. We are back at the hotel, we've been driving all day. Konti lang yung nabawasan sa ating gas. Sure ako na kahit pauwi tayo ng Manila, hindi natin kailangan mag-gas ulit. Enough na yung 1 full tank. So going to Manila is another 300 kilometers, pero for sure may mga stopover kami along the way. I will update you kung ano yung magiging final consumption natin sa gas after traveling to La Union, and then around La Union, and then back to Manila. So I will update you after 5 hours. After 5 hours, we are finally back in Manila, and of course, i-reveal na natin kung ano yung final na status ng ating gas and battery. For the gas, we have 355 kilometers left, and for our battery, 10 kilometers left. As you can see guys, ang dami pa ring natira. Super efficient talaga ng Jayco J7 SHS. What do you guys think? Worth it ba tong Jayco J7 SHS? Antayin ko yung mga comments nyo below. But for me, it's super duper worth it. Super efficient. Ang ganda ng interior, exterior. Sobrang daming safety features. And perfect din sa mga taong priority ang fuel efficiency and of course, comfort while driving. So that's it for our road trip to La Union. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye!